Okay. Dev. Yes. You're so cute. This is the start.
Okay, so excited.
Okay, wait. So what have you been doing? Because this is lighter. Have you been lightening it? No?
I think honestly, we just have been doing my roots and we haven't done anything here for
Okay.
a long time.
This is like really thick in here.
You think so?
Oh yeah. Like compared to what I've
for
seen
sure.
you with. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I actually think you can do our Volume Genius Wefts.
Oh.
I know. I think you'll love those. And what are you thinking? Like, what does Devon want?
I don't know. I am just so excited to do something different. Like, I feel like I've had the same thing for probably 7 years. Like, I think really we've only just touched up my roots and that's it. Like, I haven't done anything fun, but like maybe a little bit of a change.
Okay.
To
maybe like some softness, like in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that.
What about length?
I mean, I have not had like long hair. Well, you know, I've been trying to grow it.
Yeah.
So I'm good with
whatever.
Yeah.
Stop it.
I am.
Okay. As far as how often are you washing?
I wash
Once
it like
a week?
Twice a week.
Yeah. Okay. You also
we haven't like cut or anything in a while either. So
it's mostly just
my ends, I think.
Yeah, maybe. I would say like this much.
Yeah.
But I'll probably just utilize this to like blend it all in.
Okay.
I think this will be the change that you really need.
Okay. I
want you to love your hair, not just deal with your hair.
Yeah.
But for me, I already know what I'm gonna do. I already pulled things. Yes.
Okay.
I did. I pulled some items and have Devon feel like your hair did like 15 years ago. What's the plan?
Making her long.
I'm thinking, obviously, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover her roots at the bowl.
Like it's so
CaluraTen. Yeah, it is super efficient. Okay.
I really don't like the 6 NA.
Smart developer because she's smart. So we're gonna go in and soften her up with Blacklight Lightener, of course. But you guys, please follow along because I'm gonna be doing a whole extra video on Devon because her story is absolutely phenomenal and you definitely don't wanna miss this. I couldn't think of a more deserving person. I'm gonna use Framar's Toning Tub. It's gonna be fun because I'm gonna tap her root at the bowl because I'm gonna be using Calura 6N, okay? Then we're gonna tone. Okay.
I love it.
Is this not the best feeling in the world?
Yes.
When they paint your head?
Yes.
I know, I feel the same way. Whenever I get my head painted, I'm like, oh, hell yeah.
And the
color to teach with?
I have it. Of course.
You know, I'm like, okay.
Yeah, that sucks.
A lot of this comes out right. My little one was so cheap.
Okay. So you're not direct with the. You can just sit back now.
I'm nervous now.
Why?
I don't know. Open your eyeballs.
Oh my gosh, Tiffany, it's beautiful.
Isn't it pretty?
This is like better than I even imagined.
Really?
Yes.
Isn't it so beautiful? I know. It's that Volume Genius Weft.
But the color too.
The color.
is like.
It's soft.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, I love it so much.
Here's your wefts. So these are them.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
I know. Look at that color. Devon, you look beautiful. You look so good.
Oh my god, I like.
Are you loving?
Yes. Oh my god, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you.